No leads, no sales, no cash flow. And if you don't have cash flow, your business doesn't just struggle, it dies. It disappears into the internet, into the ether, forgotten about. And if you're an entrepreneur, I know you've felt this fear before. The sleepless nights, the anxiety, the constant worry of where's the next client coming from. That's one thing that I used to worry about all the time. You go on holiday, but you're still checking your inbox every 5 minutes. You try to relax, but in the back of your mind, you know you're only as good as your last month's revenue. I get it, I've been there. The best lead generation strategy of all time is results. Your business will make the most amount of money when you have the most amount of social proof on display. So here's what to do. Get results that are faster and better than everyone else. Go and look at your competitors' results and ask, how can we 10x this? Show them every single day. Never let a success story go to waste. If you're not consistently posting social proof about your product or service that demonstrates that it works, you're losing the opportunity to build trust. Think about it. When you scroll social media, what catches your eye? Stories of transformations, someone going from struggling to winning. Your audience needs to actually see and feel, most importantly, what is going on in your client's world, and that you have the secret to solving their biggest problems that's holding them back from living a great life. And your social proof is actually the postcard of what life could be like. And one of my favorite lines in marketing is, imagine what life would be like for the first time where you could do this. Imagine for the first time being able to. These insights, these lines, these quotes, working beautifully with your social proof to really just show people that there is a new future. And you want to make them aware that there's new hope, new insights, new feelings, new excitement ahead of them. Number 3, reverse engineer your top 3 clients. Here's an actual game-changing tip. Stop marketing to everyone, start marketing to your top 3 clients. Go and look at your top 3 paying clients in Stripe or your CRM and get them on a call. Get them on a group call and ask them, what are your biggest challenges before reaching out and working with us? What were you researching before you found us? Like, what were you looking at? What were you trying? What was the exact moment that you decided to reach out? Like, what piece of content tipped you over the edge? And how has working with us changed your life? Also, you could add in, who else could benefit from working with us? These answers are gold, and they will tell you exactly how to position your marketing and essentially win over business. These interviews could actually be put into ChatGPT and turned into content, playbooks, emails, and everything else. And if you really want to step it up, turn those client interviews into mini documentaries. Showcase their journey, struggles, wins, and emotions. It's the most powerful form of social proof you can create. Those top 3 paying clients are literal gold for your marketing department. And if you talk specifically to those people, I can guarantee you will attract more people like them. Number 4, pre-sell with your content. Your content should do 80% of the selling before anyone ever speaks to you. That means every piece of content should explain the features and benefits of working with you, and most importantly, the psychological outcomes and feelings. Remember this, there's features, benefits, and feelings. Feelings are the outcomes that people have after they work with you. So let's say you have a feature, we have this one-to-one feature. Benefit, you get private support. Feeling, you will never feel lost. You will feel certain and confident in the direction that you're going. Your content also needs to handle objections. For example, it's too expensive. It won't work with me. I don't have time. Can I trust you? The biggest mistake people make when it comes to creating content is that it doesn't lead anywhere. Every post should be intentional and move people closer to buying from you. Number 5, engage with leads faster than ever before. In fact, the moment that a lead interacts with you on Instagram, LinkedIn, or email, you should be interacting with them. The reason why they follow you, engage with you, is essentially they're interested in buying. And most people, they do nothing. You need to engage with these leads immediately. Here's a simple script that you can use straight away. Hey, first name, saw that you followed / downloaded whatever lead magnet it is. Love to know what's your biggest challenge right now. I've got some free time. I would love to hear it. Send something over and I'll take a quick look at it. Speed really matters. The first 24 hours are the most important. You absolutely must connect with your leads because that's when they're most intentional. Let me know in the comments what has been your biggest takeaway. This video taught you the thinking behind lead generation. Remember the golden rule. Results feed lead generation, You want to engage with the leads as fast as possible. That's when their intent to buy or open up about their challenges is at the greatest level, because they've seen someone that is a signal of hope for them to solve their biggest problems. Now, I've only had 9 minutes to go through this. There is definitely going to be one thing here that will radically improve your lead generation when implemented. Don't be a professional note taker. Implement exactly what I've shared. Let me know in the comments what stood out for you. And if you're addicted to growing your business and making more profit, more status, and more freedom, remember the golden rule. Lead nurture feeds lead generation. So it's actually the relationship that you build rather than the content that you put out that actually matters. And if you're addicted to growth, you need to be subscribed to this channel, because I produce weekly videos that will literally teach you how to strengthen your thinking, generate more leads, grow your sales, and build the dream business that you once dreamed of when you first decided to become an entrepreneur. Oh, and by the way, I've got a weekly newsletter with awesome stuff on it. It'll solve 97.8% of every business problem you'll ever experience. Make sure you go and find that in the show notes. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.